Hello from Slovenia again. Today I have a new plan in my head how to do an acrylic pouring painting, and I will use my primary colors again, primary yellow, primary magenta and primary cyan. And when I do this on a black background they look so funky and vibrant, and today I want to see if I can do a more gentle looking flower with primary colors, and that's why I added to my titanium white mixture polyurethane satin varnish from Vallejo to get some kind of wispier background. And I will use my pearl white mixture too, and maybe some black, and I will use straws and this scraper. So let's remove my paints and pour my base down. I'm working on 8 by 10, I think, or something like that. It's not a really big canvas, but just to see if I can achieve something with this technique that I have in my head. So okay, my canvas is covered. Okay. Okay, I will torch it now. And now I will layer my paints here in the middle, kind of in a stripe. And I will start with primary yellow. And next will be some pearl white for some lacing. And next is primary magenta. And I will add just a tiny bit of black here and there, like that maybe, and some pearl white again. So obviously I'm trying to get some kind of softer look, and some primary cyan on top. Okay. didn't work like I hoped, so let's play with this comb a little bit. Don't like this. It's not what I was hoping for, so let's see what will happen if I tilt this out. Okay, interesting. I think that I will leave it because I like it a lot now. So let me take it down for a close-up. So here is a close-up, and I'm really happy how it turned out. I really love this part a lot, and this wispiness here. This part there. I think that it turned out pretty amazing from something that I thought that I even will not like at all, but now I'm so happy with it. So tell me, what do you think about this technique with some straws and some racks, kind of? I think it's pretty interesting. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.